Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing some gold bedazzle here and there on the 2025 Honda Civic Si. And for right now, how much wrap I have, we are going to do a windshield banner. Now, this car does have that camera right in front, so I'm going to use some knifeless tape and try my best to somehow cut in between. Surface dust off of the glass, so that way our adhesive will stick. Then we're going to apply more water. The bottle is simply filled with just water, and that's going to help everything lay down a lot more easier. They used a piece of vinyl to wrap it. Alright, so we do have the wrap pre-cut, ready to go. Yeah, it's a little messed up from stretching it, moving around, but with adhesive, it's going to help put it back to normal. So what we're going to do is, we're going to, so strange, it kind of bows out just a little bit, but we're going to take this wrap, we're going to take our backing off, we're going to attach to one side of the vehicle, pull it onto the other side, keep and push in from the middle outward. You know, I do gotta film, right, guys?
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's fine. There's a lot of editing that I have to cut out. Steven's got the worst mouth.
There's a bubble in the bubble.
No, I know. I have to tuck that vinyl underneath. Alright, guys, so I have now tucked in this side completely. It's a little short on that end, but it's fine. From a long way, it looks good. So I'm going to carefully rub it against the gasket here until I get a nice little cut, and then kind of cut the excess off the top. It's weird because it kind of bended itself. The vinyl itself bended. And as far as the camera, we're still going to try to figure that one out down the way. I did take off some of the wrinkles over here. The wrap got a little ruined, but it's fine. It is what it is, just temporary. For right now, I think a sunshade is pretty cool because it helps out obviously with this beautiful California sun. So let's keep on going. Alright, so it seemed to be almost an hour long of wrapping this windshield banner. I finally got it down to the T, guys. Now we're going to apply some heat and trying to get the camera cut out. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna lie to you, I did wrap this front badge. It was not looking the best, so I might have just removing the whole wrap afterwards. The cut tape, it was a good idea, however though in that little triangle, it wasn't exactly the best bet to go with. However though, I was able to cut on top of the cut tape so I won't scratch the glass. And got the rest done, knocked out, the banner looks sick. I do want to wrap the rest of the car gold, but I actually stopped. I like the gloss black look in under eyelids. Maybe later on down the line I'll get the carbon fiber replacement parts. As far as for the rear badges, I'll also purchase those elsewhere. Maybe even get some more carbon fiber badges, of course. That's going to be the end of this how-to. Basically just a nice little beautiful sun strip in the front. Main reason why I got this is to help out with the sun, of course. And it looks pretty cool. I like the gray and gold look. As always guys, stay safe and stay chill.